Hey all, welcome back to this Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with kind of review or unboxing, whatever you can say, your first impressions on one of the favorite product I have always been using, and I've used 2 bottles of that. It's Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum Special Kit. You also get this on Nykaa. I bought this on Innisfree World website. I also won some contest, so I got one of their boxes free, the same boxes. But you get the same kit in Nykaa as well. So yes, you can always, I'll put that link down so you can go through that. Whenever they are in stock, you can register yourself for stock notification and get this box. I don't know the cost of this in India, but I'll put the cost somewhere here so you can see. So this one I got for $28. I've already used one kit. This is the second kit which I got free. So you get this box in pretty cute packaging. You get these, everything is in Korean so I can't read. But this is a green tea seed serum special kit enriched with freshly double squeezed green tea from Jeju Island to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. They had this green tea serum, but this is a new serum which is double the benefit of the normal serum what they have. It's really nice. I always love their green tea range. I've used the green tea serum, I've used the green tea cleanser, foam cleanser, green tea sleeping mask. I really love everything what I use till now. I have not used their face mask, I guess, but everything else I have used in green tea range. Not also the cream, I didn't use it. My sister used it but she loved it. So when I open the box, you have the kit like this. You get a full size of green tea seed serum, and then you get the deluxe size samples. Green tea seed serum, a full size seed serum. With this cost, you get other samples free in this. So let's just go to the first product. I would actually let you know the first impression, not a detailed review, because I'm planning to do detailed review on this seed serum, which you can which if it is already up, I'll put that link here, or you can stay tuned to watch that video. Already emptied 180 ml jumbo size of this, and again I emptied 80 ml of this. I really love this. I'm die-hard fan of this one. I don't know if I can live without this one because it's really nice. Whatever your skin type is, you have to definitely try this product. You also get some offers on Nykaa whenever you buy certain 1200 or 1000 rupees products. They do these kind of small kits where you can get a different range of products like green tea or any other thing from Innisfree. Really nice. You will thank me after using it. I have also recommended this to my sister. She actually emptied one of this one within 1 month. She is in love with it. She has acne prone skin, oily skin, and I have dry skin mostly, and I get white patches very soon in winter, and I also have PCOS, a lot of pigmentation and dry skin issues all over my skin. But I really recommend this one because this serum is really blessing. It makes your skin so soft, so nice, so moistured. If you are suffering from moistureless skin, or if you feel like your skin is not hydrated enough, not moisture enough, you can try this one. I use a lot of green tea serum on my skin. After toning, I use 2 to 3 pumps of it every day in the morning and night to use it. And I also try to use leftover on my skin, on my hands. It's really nice. It's actually from the freshly squeezed green tea. So I think I've already told a lot of information about this one, on how it is, and all. The pump packaging is really pretty. You get the product out. Let me show the consistency. It's so cooling on the skin. It's liquidy consistency. It spreads out very nice on your skin. You don't need to put a lot of effort, and it sinks in well. It smells so fresh. Sensitive to fragrances, you don't have to worry. It doesn't last long on your skin. It's so nice as well. So this is the first full size product you get in this kit, and the next one you get is this green tea seed serum, seed cream. This is a 20 ml of the seed cream. What you get, I've already emptied it so you can know how much I love it. Oh, I already used it. I was thinking I didn't use a green tea cream actually in ever, but I used it. It's so nice. I mean, it's really nice. I will try a full size of it, but this is a really good size. And the other one I have is this green tea seed skin, which I've also used half of it. It's really nice. It's a 15 ml. This doesn't smell much. It's more like water. You can say it's more like water. It doesn't have any fragrance to it. It's like after toning, you can just apply a little bit and then use it off. And then you get this green tea seed essence in lotion, which is little thicker than essence but little not as thick as a cream. So it's in between a serum and a cream consistency, you can see. and it really blends in very well. You don't have to put a lot of effort. This one smells good actually. This one smells like green tea. If you are a lover of green tea, you would love this kit. So yes, that's a deluxe sample, and the last two things you get teeny tiny samples are this green tea morning cleanser, and then you get this green tea sleeping mask. I emptied these both. You can see they're so tiny, you can use it to traveling, but trust me, even if they're tiny, I actually got 4 to 5 uses of this sleeping mask, which is really nice. And I don't use teeny amount for sleeping mask, I use a lot of amount for sleeping mask. When I'm doing my nighttime skincare routine, I will do a video of it, but you can see I love to use this sleeping mask a lot because it's so nice, it's so soothing. It has micro beads, it's so soothing. Let me show you if I have little bit left in it. Yeah, I have little bit left in it. So you get this in this kind of consistency, and it's so soothing. It's watery consistency when you blend it to your skin, and it sinks in your skin so well. It makes sure rest of your skincare is intact throughout the night and gives a moistured and supple skin. Then the next one is this morning cleanser. They have a morning cleanser and also foam cleanser. I didn't like much foam cleanser. I like foam cleansers, but this one I think it was little too much for me. This is good. This is a morning cleanser, which is a gel cleanser, which is really good. I already have a full size of it. Innisfree World does this offer, so I stock up whenever they have offers 1+1. This is really good as well. So overall the kit is really nice, because with one, if you want to try this serum, you can definitely get this kit. You get all the other 5 products. The deluxe ones are these, and then you have this tiny products here, and then you have this kit here. So it's really worth it. And so yes, this is really worth it if you want to try. It's not try if you can always invest in such good skincare, because your skin is, you deserve it, right? So yes, this is all I have in this kit, and I really like this kit. It's a I would rate it top 10 out of 10 for this kit. So yes, so this is the one, and thanks Innisfree for selecting me as one of the winner and giving me this kit. So I'm like so happy I got this as free. So yes, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of DS fam. You also have a small ting tong bell, so don't forget to hit that and so you can get notified with all my future videos. Thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.